Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet pickled onions. First, select 2 medium red onions. Peel them and slice them thinly, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick. This ensures they absorb the pickling liquid well. Once sliced, gently separate the rings and place them into a clean, heat-proof jar. This preparation is key for a perfect pickle. Next, let's prepare the delicious sweet brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir these ingredients together until they are fully dissolved. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then immediately remove it from the stove. This brine is the heart of your pickled onions. Now for the magic. Carefully pour the hot brine directly over the sliced onions in your jar. Make sure all the onion rings are completely submerged in the liquid. You might need to gently press them down with a spoon. Once filled, secure the lid tightly. Allow the jar to cool completely to room temperature on your counter before refrigerating. This cooling step is crucial for flavor development. Once cooled, transfer your jar of sweet pickled onions to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them chill for at least 1 hour before serving. These delightful onions are perfect on sandwiches, salads, or as a vibrant side dish. They will stay fresh and delicious in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.